Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe. Let's get straight to today's video. What not to wear at airport security. Have you ever been stuck behind someone at airport security who sets off every alarm? Let's dive into the 7 things you should avoid wearing through security. Avoid wearing anything with excessive metal. This includes large belt buckles, pants chains, and multiple rings. With all that metal, the detectors will be set off. You'll end up getting patted down. Opt for minimal metal in your clothing and accessories. It will make the process smoother. Let's talk about what not to wear. Avoid shoes that look like you're about to climb Mount Everest or walk the runway at a Lady Gaga concert. These can slow you down at security. At airport security, simplicity is key. Don't fumble with buckles and laces while a line of impatient travelers judges you. Opt for shoes that are easy to slip on and off. Think ballet flats, loafers, sneakers, or sandals. And make sure they're comfortable. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so prioritize comfort over couture. Your feet will thank you, and you might even make it through security without setting off any alarms. Avoid wearing bulky jackets at airport security. They make it difficult to manage your belongings. Bulky jackets take up too much space in the bins, and they can set off the scanners. This causes delays and frustration. Instead, wear layers. A light sweater or cardigan with a scarf is better. It's more comfortable and practical. If you need a jacket, choose a lightweight one. This will make your airport experience smoother. Your sanity and your fellow travelers will thank you. Let's talk about jewelry. Airport security is not the place for it. Avoid statement necklaces, large dangling earrings, and multiple rings. Sparkling jewelry can set off detectors. Less is more at airport security. Metal jewelry will trigger detectors, leading to pat-downs. Go for minimal accessories. Simple studs or a delicate necklace or a watch are sufficient. Pack valuable jewelry in your carry-on. This prevents loss or damage. The goal is to breeze through security, not delay the process. Don't forget to empty your pockets before going through airport security. This includes tissues, lip balm, phones, keys, wallets, and loose change. All these items can set off the scanners and cause delays. Pockets are convenient but problematic at security as they can cause delays. Avoid the hassle by emptying your pockets before you get in line. Place everything in your carry-on bag, purse, or the provided bins. This will help you and others get through security faster. Your future self will thank you for avoiding delays caused by forgotten items in your pockets. Oversized electronics can be a real pain at airport security. Giant laptops, gaming consoles, and old portable DVD players are problematic. These bulky items take up space in the bins, slow down the screening process, and make your life more difficult. Instead of lugging around your entire tech collection, consider downsizing. Opt for a tablet or a smaller laptop if possible, and leave the gaming consoles and DVD players at home. Trust me, your back and your fellow travelers will thank you. Let's get straight to the point. Avoid wearing fabrics and patterns that can raise eyebrows at airport security. Heavy embroidery, sequins, and clothing with a lot of metal embellishments can be problematic. These can trigger additional screenings. Be mindful of your travel outfit. Choose simple, streamlined clothing in solid colors or subtle patterns. Avoid anything too flashy or attention-grabbing. Save your statement pieces for your destination. The goal is to breeze through security with minimal fuss. Don't become a fashion icon for all the wrong reasons. So there you have it, my fellow travel enthusiasts. 7 things you should avoid wearing or carrying the next time you find yourself at the mercy of airport security. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way, and by following these simple tips, you can help make the security process smoother for yourself and everyone around you. Avoid wearing bulky clothing, excessive jewelry, and shoes that are hard to remove. Leave your metal accessories and large electronics in your carry-on until after the screening. Skip the belts and opt for slip-on shoes to speed up the process. Share your airport security tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and advice. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers.